Hello and welcome. My name is Charles Atelu, Health Informatics Content Developer and Trainer with 10 years experience working for the KenyaEMR project. In this short video, I'm going to take you through defaulter tracing using KenyaEMR. Log into the system using your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll be navigated to the facility dashboard. Click on the home icon to access the home page. Once on the home page, access the patient tracing application. Click the application. Search for the patient to be traced. You can either search for the patient to be traced using their ID or name. We are going to use our demonstration patient training. Once enlisted, click on the patient to open up the defaulter tracing history. Once you click on the patient to be traced, the patient registration information and relationship information will appear, as well as their CCC defaulter tracing history. Click on Add HIV defaulter tracing information button, and a CCC tracing form will appear. Complete the tracing dates by clicking on the calendar menu. The location will be pre-filled during check-in. Proceed to complete the tracing type by selecting the respective radio button. Complete the outcome by selecting the respective radio button. Kindly note that all these fields are mandatory fields, marked in asterisks. Complete the tracing numbering panel by filling in the number since last missed appointment. Select what was the final outcome if the patient was reached or not. If yes, select the final outcome of the true status. What was the outcome of the true status? Was the patient dead? Is the patient receiving RT from another clinic or transferred? Still in care the CCC? Lost to follow-up? Stop treatment? Other? Please explain in the adjacent text field. But if the final outcome when reached is a no, then proceed to fill in the provider comments. But for our case, the outcome was yes, and the patient confirmed that they are still in care at the CCC, and the patient promised to come in the subsequent day. Once done, click on Enter Form button to submit the CCC defaulter tracing information. Once submitted, a summary of the submitted defaulter tracing form will appear, indicating who entered the form and at what date and time. Remember, defaulter tracing is a continuous process until successful encounter. If the patient fails to turn up on the agreed date, navigate back to the CCC defaulter tracing history page and add another tracing information detail if contacted or not. The HIV defaulter tracing information is filled continuously until it's confirmed that the patient has honored the appointment, or they have confirmed lost to follow-up, or they are dead. This marks the end of our CCC defaulter tracing encounter. In the next video, I will take you through appointment management. Thank you.